Begin with 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Place them in a crock pot and add a cup of chicken broth, a chopped onion, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon each of smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder and salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Cover the crock pot and let it work its magic. Cook on low for 6 to 7 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. You'll know it's done when the chicken is tender and can be easily shredded. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the crock pot and shred it using 2 forks. After shredding, return the chicken to the crock pot and mix it with the flavorful juices. Now it's time to create the Alabama white barbecue sauce. In a medium bowl, whisk together a cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon each of lemon juice, horseradish, and Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of sugar, salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, cayenne pepper if you're feeling adventurous, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder until smooth. You can serve this tangy, creamy Alabama white barbecue sauce on the side, or mix it directly with the shredded chicken in the crock pot. As for serving suggestions, why not try the pulled chicken on hamburger buns with an extra drizzle of Alabama white BBQ sauce on top? Add a side of coleslaw for that extra crunch and flavor, or enjoy it with a side of baked beans or cornbread for a truly Southern experience. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making the perfect pulled chicken with Alabama white barbecue sauce. From the tender, flavorful chicken to the tangy, creamy sauce, every component of this dish comes together to create a symphony of flavors that's sure to please even the most discerning palate. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.